spot defects in products before they leave the factory floor. This ensures only the best products reach consumers, maintaining high standards and customer satisfaction. Section 4. The AI advantage: safer, cheaper, and faster. Using AI for crack detection has huge benefits.
First, safety. Finding hidden cracks means preventing accidents.
Second, cost. AI inspections are faster and more efficient, which saves time and money.
Third, accuracy. AI is incredibly accurate at spotting flaws. This means fewer faulty products and fewer maintenance delays.
Overall, AI is making inspections smarter and more reliable. Section 5. Challenges and the future. AI is still learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field that holds immense potential. However, it is still in its learning phase, constantly being refined and improved. Of course, there are challenges. These challenges range from technical issues to ethical considerations. Engineers and developers are continuously working to overcome these obstacles. AI needs to be trained. This training process is complex and requires a lot of resources. It involves feeding the AI systems with vast amounts of data to help them learn and make accurate predictions. This requires massive amounts of data. The data must be accurate and relevant to the tasks the AI is being trained for. Collecting and curating this data is a monumental task in itself.
The more data it has, the better it gets. With each new piece of information, AI systems become more adept at understanding patterns and making decisions. Also, AI algorithms need to be constantly improved. This means that developers must regularly update the algorithms to ensure they are as efficient and accurate as possible.
Researchers are working hard to make AI even smarter. They're exploring new techniques and methodologies to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve.
They want AI to not only detect cracks. The goal is to develop AI systems that can predict potential issues before they become critical. They want it to predict when and where cracks might form. This predictive capability could revolutionize the way we approach maintenance and safety.
This will be a game changer for safety and maintenance. By anticipating problems before they occur, we can take proactive measures to ensure the integrity and longevity of structures. Section 6. Conclusion: a crack-free future. AI crack detection is already changing the world. It's making our planes safer, our bridges stronger, and our products more reliable. As AI technology advances, it will only get better. Who knows? Maybe one day, thanks to AI, we'll live in a world with far fewer cracks and a whole lot more safety.